Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the fill handle in Microsoft Excel, okay? And when I say fill, I mean F-I-L-L, handle, okay? I think the fill handle is quite possibly one of the most useful tools in Excel because it's a huge time saver. So prepare to have your minds blown here in what Excel can do here with the fill handle. Let me give you a quick example. If I put something in a cell, okay, I can copy it. Now the fill handle is actually this little black box in the bottom right hand corner of a cell when it's highlighted. And when I have my cursor as a little plus sign right here, I can fill it down. So I can fill in any direction what I have here. Okay? I could even fill it this way. So that's pretty cool. So I can copy a whole bunch of data, okay? Let me get rid of this information real quick because I want to make it better. Alright, let's say that I start a numbered list. Now some of you might have a desire to make a big numbered list, okay? Microsoft Excel can already help with this. If you'll give it at least 2, so it knows the pattern that you're going for, 1, 2, it will fill it. Okay? Again, I can do it another direction here. Okay? That makes it really helpful for making a numbered list. Now, I could type 1 to 17 fairly quickly, but not that quickly. And if you're making a list that's hundreds or thousands of numbers long, then you can do this quite quickly, okay, which is really nice. All right, so I'm going to clear my contents there. It can also fill other things. So how about days of the week? That's pretty cool. All right. Well, let's say that I only wanted to do every other day. Monday, Wednesday. Okay. You think it can handle that? You bet it can. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, every other day. So that's pretty neat. Okay. Let's see what else I can do. About, I don't know, months. Pretty sweet. Okay. How about years? 2000, let's see, what is this? 2013 now. That's weird. 2014. Boom. Okay. So you're seeing here that this can do pretty awesome stuff. Okay. It can fill in a lot of different patterns. Not everything, but I'm surprised all the time in what it can actually fill. Okay. Now the fill handle is not just good for doing that. All right. It actually does some really other cool stuff, like filling formulas also. So let's say that I have some data. Okay. I'm just going to give myself some random data if it's fine with you. Now, I'm not filling this because I actually want this to be somewhat random so you can see the difference here and what's happening. Okay, now let's see that I've got this number and I want to find out a few different things, okay? I'm going to put in a new row right here just to give myself some space. Let's say that I want to find the total. Here, let's space this out just a little bit. Let's say I want to find the total and I want to find the average, okay, of these sets of numbers here, okay, these data sets. All right, so right here I'm going to put in my my sum function here. So sum, and then oops, highlight this. Okay, all right, 14, great. Not rocket science there. Okay, let's say that I want to do my average here. Again, select my data set. Okay, great. Now, I don't want to have to type in equal sum and do all that stuff for each one of these, okay? So I'm just going to do this, drag it down, and it's going to give me my totals and my averages for each, okay? Because it recognized that this is A2 to D2, the sum of that, A3 to D3, A4 to D4, A5 to D5, so on and so forth, the same for averages, okay? Now, I could have gone through and typed all that. It would have taken me a really long time. Now, not that long for only 7 or actually 6 lines of data, okay? But imagine if you had 100 or 1,000 lines of data, how this would make things so much faster for you, okay? So what I've just shown you is the fill handle. You can fill a single piece of data. You can fill patterns, and you can also fill the formulas, okay, whatever those may be. So you only have to do it one time, and then you can fill it down for the rest of your data set and save yourself a whole lot of time. So I hope that was exciting and helpful for you. Maybe you didn't know that, and hopefully your mind was blown. So take it easy, and we'll see you soon.